Hi, we have 20 PMP exam questions for you based on project delivery approach. I am Mark. Welcome to PMP Exam Express. Kindly subscribe to our channel. Let's get into it. 1. A predictive approach is ideal when the project scope is likely to evolve during the project lifecycle. Answer: false. Explanation: the predictive or waterfall approach is best suited for projects with well-defined scope, where changes are minimal. When the scope is likely to evolve, an agile or iterative approach is more appropriate. 2. Agile project management eliminates the need for formal project documentation. Answer: false. Explanation: Agile encourages working software over comprehensive documentation, but that doesn't mean documentation is eliminated. Agile projects still require key documents like a product backlog, sprint plans, and other necessary records. 3. In hybrid project delivery, both predictive and agile practices can be used on the same project. Answer: true. Explanation: hybrid project delivery combines both predictive and agile approaches. For example, the overall project might follow a predictive model, while individual components are handled using agile techniques. 4. Scrum, Kanban, and Lean are all examples of predictive project delivery methodologies. Answer: false. Explanation: Scrum, Kanban, and Lean are agile methodologies, not predictive ones. Predictive approaches include waterfall, critical path method, and others that rely on a linear, sequential project delivery. 5. In agile projects, the primary measure of progress is the percentage of tasks completed on the project plan. Answer: false. Explanation: in agile projects, the primary measure of progress is working software, or deliverables that meet user requirements, not task completion percentages. Agile values the delivery of functional, shippable product increments. 6. The iterative project lifecycle is often used when the project requires gradual refinement through repeated cycles. Answer: true. Explanation: iterative approaches are designed to refine a product through repeated cycles of planning, executing, and evaluating, progressively improving the product until it meets the required quality. 7. The adaptive agile approach focuses on long-term planning and detailed upfront requirements gathering. Answer: false. Explanation: the adaptive approach emphasizes flexibility and responsiveness to change. Detailed upfront requirements gathering is a hallmark of predictive approaches, while Agile relies on iterative discovery of requirements. 8. In a predictive project, scope changes after baseline approval are handled through the change control process. Answer: true. Explanation: in predictive approaches, scope changes must go through formal change control processes to ensure any alterations are properly managed, with impacts on cost, schedule, and quality considered. 9. The primary difference between incremental and iterative project approaches is that incremental delivers in usable portions, while iterative refines deliverables over time. Answer: true. Explanation: incremental approaches deliver usable portions of the product in stages, while iterative approaches develop and refine the product over multiple iterations until the final version is achieved. 10. Predictive approaches often use the concept of time boxing to manage work and ensure deliverables are completed within fixed durations. Answer: false. Explanation: time boxing is a common feature of Agile approaches such as Scrum, where work is confined to fixed periods called sprints. Predictive approaches typically rely on a fixed schedule without time boxing. 11. Agile approaches are well suited for large, complex projects with minimal stakeholder involvement. Answer: false. Explanation: Agile approaches thrive on frequent stakeholder involvement, collaboration, and communication. Large, complex projects may require hybrid approaches but do not necessarily thrive with minimal stakeholder involvement. 12. The critical path method, CPM, is commonly used in Agile methodologies to track project progress. Answer: false. Explanation: CPM is a project management technique used primarily in predictive, waterfall approaches to identify the sequence of critical tasks. Agile methodologies typically use tools like burn-down charts or velocity tracking. 13. In Agile projects, a project's overall completion date is rarely known at the start of the project. Answer: true. Explanation: Agile projects do not rely on fixed end dates up front. Instead, they prioritize flexibility and incremental delivery. The project's completion date is often adjusted as requirements evolve. 14. In a hybrid project, the predictive approach is typically applied to high-risk areas, while Agile practices are used for low-risk areas. False. Explanation: it's the opposite. Agile is typically applied to areas of high uncertainty or high risk, where frequent feedback and iterative work are needed. Predictive methods handle low-risk, well-defined areas. 15. In Agile project delivery, user stories represent small chunks of functionality that deliver value to the customer. Answer: true. Explanation: user stories in Agile are concise descriptions of features or requirements that deliver specific value to the end user. They guide development and ensure customer-focused results. 16. Agile teams often conduct daily meetings that are focused on long-term planning and milestone reviews. Answer: false. Explanation: Agile teams hold daily stand-up meetings, Scrum, focused on short-term planning and removing obstacles for that day's work. Long-term planning and milestone reviews happen at sprint reviews or retrospectives. 17. In a predictive approach, once the project baseline is set, The primary focus is on managing changes to the schedule and cost. Answer: true. Explanation: predictive projects rely on a fixed baseline for scope, cost, and schedule. Once established, any changes must go through a formal change control process, with a focus on maintaining schedule and budget. 18. The Agile approach emphasizes a fixed scope, while allowing flexibility in the project schedule and budget. Answer: false. Explanation: Agile emphasizes flexibility and scope, allowing it to evolve as more information becomes available. Agile aims for adaptability and scope, but maintains focus on delivering value within set timeframes and budgets. 19. A hybrid project can use Agile for the construction phase and Predictive for the design and planning phases. Answer: true. Explanation: hybrid projects combine both Agile and Predictive methods depending on the nature of each phase. Agile might be applied to development, or construction, while Predictive is used for upfront planning and design. 20. Kanban boards are used to visually represent project tasks in both Predictive and Agile project management approaches. Answer: true. Explanation: while Kanban is a tool associated with Agile, the concept of a visual task board can be applied in Predictive projects as well. It helps track task progress and resource allocation in any methodology. Thank you for watching. All the best for your PMP exam preparations. Please subscribe and like our videos.